Hi, Mary Jo.
Hi, Jamie. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. So you are a Consumer Electronics Show. Now, is that the biggest show that Vegas has?
It is actually the world's largest annual event.
Wow. How big is that?
Well, there's 150,000 gadget geeks like myself out here. There are 3,000 companies. There's 20,000 new products, and it spans 1.9 million square feet. So it's huge, and that's just the convention center space. There's such sprawl this year where, there's hotel suites and companies really that are exhibiting all over the Strip.
So how do you sort of figure out where you want to go look? I mean, that is just enormous.
You know what? You've got to have on good shoes and just be prepared to drink a lot of coffee because there's almost no way to cover all of it. I would basically have to. The show's open 33 hours. I would have to see 90 booths an hour in order to see everybody here. So. But there are some general trends, so that's how it's easy to kind of pinpoint what it is you want to look for.
And what are some of those key trends you're seeing?
Well, one of the mega trends is the mobile technology, and that's smartphones, tablets, laptops. These are basically our lifelines these days. And the first thing that I want to show you is actually the Samsung Series 9 laptop, and this is it's exceptional. It has full HD capability, so high definition. It's amazing. It's the ultimate viewing experience for your movies, your TV shows, and your photos. It's also got super bright plus technology, so it's twice the brightness of a typical laptop, and it also is slim and trim. I'm going to turn it here so you can see just how slim that is. It's actually half an inch thin and 2.5 pounds. So very portable, just like it would be with a tablet, but all the functionality of a laptop. The robust keyboard, the larger screen, and the variety of ports. And then, again, we're hearing all about smartphones, tablets, but also smart cars, the connected car. And this is from AudioVox. This is the car connection. And this is basically a DIY device. And this plugs into the OBD port under your steering wheel and allows you to manage, maintain, and monitor driver behavior and vehicle safety and maintenance. So you can set up a profile online and basically set up smartphone restrictions so you can't talk on your phone while you're driving, automatic crash notification, who you would notify in case of a collision. There are safety zones you can set up in case your car goes outside of a certain area, if your teen is driving your car and you want to know about it. Or there's fuel saving tips as well. And one thing I think you'll love is Lot Spot, which if you come out of a mall or a movie theater, how many times have you forgotten where your car is parked? This will give you walking directions back to where your car is. So that's a great device. And smartphones, again, very big this show, but smartphone accessories. Now this is the RCA wireless dock clock, and this is a dock clock radio. What's great about this is it has sound flow technology. That's a new technology the company's rolling out. This is the first product that has it, and what it does is it transforms the audio on your smartphone, making it richer and fuller. I'm going to show you right now. We place it on the sound mat, and we should hear some music here. Let's see. There we go. See how nice and rich? Great sound there. And what's nice is that it's simple and it's easy to do. There's no plug-ins, there's no wires, there's no pairing. So this also has a USB port you can plug in and charge your iPhone, your Android, your e-readers, and your tablets. And then finally, how many times have you taken your cords, your earphones or your headphones and dropped them into a purse or a bag or a desk drawer and had them get tangled? Well, this is from Moxietronics, and this is basically a cord cruncher. You take your earphones, you use what you need, and then when you're ready, you just slide the sleeve back on. So this is cord management. Then you can wear it to the gym. It's easy to use, and that's available this year. It was a prototype last year, so that's fun. I love the neon green, and there's more information on all these gadgets on my website, jamiesgotagadget.com.
That is awesome. Now, I understand that there's a lot of car makers there, so why is that?
Well, what's happening is that the connected car is definitely having a big presence this year. There are 8 automakers here at this show, which is the largest amount there ever have been, and there's over 100 auto tech companies showing things as well. So what we're seeing is that the smartphone is really driving a lot of that. You can use apps now to get internet radio stations, to remote start your car. Same with the connected home. You can now turn on light bulbs and set a dishwasher to do, a load of dishes as you're driving home. So what we're seeing is that, mobile apps, we're seeing mobile technology as a mega trend. We're seeing, with laptops, tablets, and smartphones, the hybrids, the convertibles. We're seeing a mashup of smartphones and tablets, which are phablets. We're seeing laptops and tablets, which are laplets. There's just a number of amazing gadgets we're going to see out here, and just excited to check it all out.
Now, you mentioned one of those that you showed was a prototype last year. Now, how many of these sort of come out there as prototypes but make it or don't make it?
Well, that's an interesting question. And actually this year, Eureka Park is an area where a lot of the startups are. There's 140 companies. It's 40% larger than it was last year. And what we are seeing is that, a lot of these companies are getting funding. They may have the next big thing. We don't know. But you do see a lot of prototypes out here, and maybe those companies are back, the year later with something that actually is ready to market. But a lot of what we're going to see this year will make it. It may be later in the year. It may come out in some form, towards the end of the year, but I'm guessing a lot of what we will see will show up in some form or another.
That's awesome. Jamie, thank you so much. Now, again, how do we find out about the show, and how do we find out about you?
Check out my website, jamiesgotagadget.com.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a great show.
Thank you.